Today in this video, we will see how to create or generate QR code on your iPhone completely free. For this trick, we'll use an application called ChatGPT. Everyone knows about it. It is there on all the devices available from the App Store. Just make sure that go to the App Store and get the application on your iPhone. Once you have ChatGPT on your iPhone, open it and a simple prompt, that is create QR code for below link, and any link you have, just go ahead and share or paste here and just tap on create or tap on go. Automatically within few seconds, here is a QR code by ChatGPT for completely free. If you see, wait for few seconds and here is your QR code available, made by ChatGPT completely free. If you see, okay, here is the link, just go ahead and tap on download QR code. If you see, tap here and automatically here is your QR code available for you. So guys, that's it, how easy it is. I hope it helped you. I hope you found the video helpful, and if yes, then I request you, please like the video and subscribe. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.